I want to show you the exact path from zero, no clients, no portfolio, no experience, to your first dollar made with AI. Not a theoretical path, not it's possible if you work hard. The specific steps in order that a complete beginner can take this week to make their first dollar online using AI tools. Let's go. Why the first dollar is the most important one. Here's something I believe deeply. The first dollar you make with AI will change how you see yourself forever. Not because $1 is life-changing money, but because it proves something to the part of your brain that has been quietly saying, this probably won't work for someone like you. That proof, I built something, someone valued it, and they paid me for it, is worth more than any course or any motivation speech. It's real, and once you have it, you can't unhave it. The fastest path to your first dollar. Here's the path. I'm going to give it to you straight. Step 1. Pick one service. The fastest to sell is an AI-powered social media content package. You create a week's worth of social posts for a local business using ChatGPT. You charge $100 to $200 for the first batch. Step 2. Identify 3 local businesses you already have a connection to. A family member's business, a friend's business, a business you're a regular customer of, not strangers. People who already have a reason to trust you. Step 3. Reach out personally, not a mass email, a personal message. Hey, I've been learning AI tools, and I can create a month's worth of social media content for your business in a few hours. Would you want to try 1 week free so you can see what it looks like? Step 4. Deliver the free week using ChatGPT. Then offer to continue for $150 a month. That's the path to your first dollar. 1 service, 3 conversations, 1 free trial, 1 conversion. The exact ChatGPT prompts I use for social media content, the ones that produce posts good enough to actually charge for, are in my free AI automation quick start guide at automatedincomelab.com. Grab it free and you'll have everything you need to deliver your first client project today. Link in the description. What to say in your first client conversation. Most people overthink the first sales conversation. Here's all you need to say. I'm building an AI automation practice, and I'm looking for 1 or 2 local businesses to work with at a reduced rate in exchange for feedback. I can create an AI-powered social media package for you. Would you be open to a free trial so you can see what it looks like before committing to anything? That's it. You're not selling, you're offering. And a free trial removes every objection before it's raised. How to turn that first dollar into a recurring income. Here's the move most beginners miss. After your first client says yes and loves the result, don't ask for a one-time payment. Offer a monthly retainer. I can keep doing this for you every month for $150. Most clients who love the result will say yes without hesitation. They get consistent content without thinking about it. You get recurring income. 1 client at $150 a month is $1,800 a year. 5 clients is $9,000. And you built the system once, now you're just maintaining it. Your first dollar is 1 conversation away. Grab the free Quick Start Guide at automatedincomelab.com, use the prompts inside to build your first content package, and have that conversation with someone you already know this week. First dollar, then 5, then 500. It starts with the guide. automatedincomelab.com.